Modesto City Schools is a special place because it's in a community that truly loves one another.
Modesto City Schools is a proud district made up of dedicated professionals that put students first. Our focus is on creating the right conditions for learning so that every one of our students has the same opportunity to succeed.
8 years ago, there were a number of things that we saw through analysis that needed to happen to really move Modesto City forward.
We've always been focusing on what we could do to improve the environment, how we could cut down on waste and reduce the cost.
Schneider Electric came in and found a way to maximize grant funding and build a really exciting solar and EV infrastructure project to support their electric school buses.
Charging infrastructure is a complicated issue with a lot of the grid, utilities, transformers, all these things to coordinate. And Schneider has the expertise, the knowledge, and the ability to get a proven track record and get it done. We are now running 30 home-to-school routes, or almost all of them, with electric school buses. So the students are actually seeing them firsthand out at the sites.
When you have 30 buses that come off the fleet that no longer are pumping diesel into the air, it's going to make a difference.
These 30 buses are not only cleaning the air for Modesto, but cleaning the air for Fresno and Bakersfield.
I think that COVID brought a new interest in definitely fresh air and outdoor learning.
The district had received some federal funding due to COVID mitigations and freed up money for us to go out and build our sustainable outdoor learning environments.
The first time I saw the souls, I was like,
I never dreamed that we would have an outdoor space that has Wi-Fi and internet, ceiling fans, all the things where kids can come out, enjoy the outdoors, and actually be engaged. It's been a great blessing to our students.
It really spurs innovation and creativity, and ultimately it's showing students how we can create energy in a different way to fuel computers, to fuel fans, to look at a sustainable energy source in a different way.
I think the solar panels that our district provided for us is a great addition to our campus. It gives the parking lot a new modern vibe.
The district went ahead and passed a bond for their high schools, and that last piece funded the high school solar projects that we built for Modesto City Schools. We've helped the district lower their utility bills significantly, allowing them to reinvest those dollars back into the school district.
All four of our projects with Schneider Electric have an estimated utility savings of $76 million over the life of the projects.
The future has so much hope and so much innovation. We really hope that we're the leaders and the models for others as we move forward and really cleaning up the air quality in the Central Valley, which is going to be good for our community, for our schools, for our students, and for everyone involved.
I think it's great that our school is thinking about the future generations and helping them be more eco-friendly.
I think my school is special because they're bringing in a lot of technology that can help us with our learning.
The sustainability movement has hit all 34 of our school sites as we've improved facilities, purchased EV buses, and changed the entire culture of Modesto City Schools.
MCS has been an amazing partner, and it really feels great to align the mission and the vision of our company and the goals of sustainability with Modesto City Schools.
We feel like the last 5 years has been a great start, and we're looking forward to the successful partnership with Schneider Electric for the future of Modesto City Schools.